remove the lock nut. We'll go ahead and get rid of the plungers. We will not need those again. We'll apply the nozzle. Lock the nozzle in place. Go ahead and grab our 2-part gun. Place the cartridge in the gun. Purge material to the end of the nozzle to ensure we've removed all the air from the cartridge. And now we'll apply 3 to 4 waste shots into a waste container to ensure we are on ratio. And we are almost complete with the process. Last thing we have to do is remove the stain preventing film. Because we have to wet it down to re-emulsify it to get it to turn back into a liquid, and then we can remove it from the floor. In a perfect world, if we had an auto scrubber, what we would do is we would either pump spray water down on the floor ahead of time, or run the auto scrubber and only drop water onto the SPF, let it stay wet for approximately 2 minutes, let it re-emulsify, and then we can run the scrubber brushes and the vacuum to pick up the dirty water off the floor, including the SPF. In this case, we don't have a auto scrubber. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and wet everything down, let it stay wet for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna agitate it with a scrub brush, and then I'm gonna pick it off the floor with a wet dry rag. So we'll go ahead and spray down our SPF. We wanna make sure we get it good and wet. We do not want this to dry while we're trying to get it to turn back into a liquid, so we want to keep it wet for that 2 minutes.